Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to solve the equation, to simplify the equation. The question is if x plus 4 equals 9, what is the value of x? So, my dear friends, if you find these kind of questions, we can solve for x, by subtracting. We can solve for x by subtracting 4. You can solve for x by subtracting 4 from the both sides of the equations. Okay? So what we are going to do, the method we are going to do, we are going to write x plus 4 minus 4 equals 9 minus 4. Have you seen? Simple method. So we're going to write x is equal to 5. Therefore, the value for x is 5. You see? That's it. The value for this x is 5. So thank you so much for joining in. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you don't miss my videos each time I upload. See you on the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Please remember to leave your comment. Tell us what you think. Tell us where you're watching us from. Tell us what you want to be seen in this channel so that we improve in whatever ways we can. Thank you so much.